Hello everyone! So if you want to insert a SIM card into your Xiaomi Redmi A3, so first of all, locate your SIM cards and make sure to have your SIM ejecting tool. It should be into your phone box, or you can use any kind of straightened paper clip or something that will fit into your SIM tray. So now let's locate it. Where do you find it? You can find your SIM tray right here on the left side of your screen and locate a hole near it. So now insert your SIM ejecting tool or straightened paper clip, whatever can fit here. So insert it and gently press it. Now take your SIM tray and let's look at it. So here we can find our SD card place and our SIM 1 and SIM 2. So now grab the first SIM card and insert it into it. When you insert in it, you should hear this little click. It means that the card is at its right place and that you can insert it back into your phone. And let's do the same with the second SIM. Alright, just like this. As you see, our SIM tray is fully loaded. We have everything on here. Now, let's insert it back to our phone. So make sure that everything is securely placed. And let's insert it back. So grab your phone and eject it. Just like this. Now let's check and let's wait for our phone to detect both our SIM cards. So as you see, the SIM 1 was already detected. And let's wait for the second SIM. And as you see, both of them are being detected. And now we can choose the SIM card for mobile data. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and please consider subscribing to our channel.